this video, let's see, it is safe to run 10mm wheel spacers on your BMW G30. Let's go. Yes, if you are going to get the wheel spacers, you are better to go with a trusted brand to start with and look for quality, durable materials. If you haven't found the spacers you like, maybe you can consider this BONOSS wheel spacer, because safety and quality are always the focus of BONOSS. The BONOSS Lightweight Plus wheel spacer is further upgraded and optimized for weight based on the common wheel spacer. We call it Lightweight Plus. Under the premise of ensuring safety and reliability, it effectively reduces weight and energy consumption, thus improves control performance and achieves a balance between high performance and environmental protection. The hollow design makes the whole spacer lighter while ensuring safety. Compared with the previous product before the upgrade, the weight is reduced by about 20% on average, and the lightweight effect is more direct. Although Lightweight Plus costs an additional increase in production cost. For a better customer experience, we have assumed this cost and maintained the same price as the previous product before the upgrade. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.